the people are fed up. We all know there comes a time when people get tired of being taken for granted. There comes a time when people get tired being taken for fools. There comes a time when people get tired of getting tired and decide to act. That time has come. Consequently, we are embarking on some drastic actions against the Ruto illegitimate regime because of Ruto's own actions against us. Ruto is imposing taxes on us without our consent, whose net effect is to make life increasingly difficult. We are here because the taxation situation in the country and its accompanying injustices can no longer be tolerated. Ruto has even removed subsidies on fuel, unga, electricity, and even school fees, while giving subsidies to helicopter owners and using our money to finance lavish lifestyles of his allies. It has become clear that we are dealing with a dictator who also has no respect for wananchi. Ruto has become a heartless tyrant. We are determined to get this situation corrected. Therefore, we are here to announce that our Kamkunji meeting is on in Nairobi this Friday, as we had announced. But it is not just a Kamkunji in Nairobi, but a Kamkunji across the country, where this third liberation will be launched. On that day, 7th July 2023, we will launch a signature collection to signify our rejection of Kenya Kwanza illegitimate regime and his policies, especially the punitive taxes. As we speak, fuel, food, fare are all going up in prices. In fact, fare is already going up by 30%. Fellow Kenyans, as a people, we are not given to suffering in silence. We don't kneel before dictators and beg for their mercy. Even the few who do still suffer humiliation and even death. So we fight. We express ourselves loudly and clearly on issues affecting us.